Hello, it's hot. I'm here with Amina, and we're gonna make cookies from scratch.
Heck yeah! Alright, so here's our from scratch chocolate chip cookie mix. It's not sponsored, as you can see.
Not an ad. Hashtag
not spawn. And then we have 1 egg.
Okay.
And 1 unsalted butter. First thing you have to do is preheat the oven to 375 degrees. High tech. Fahrenheit. You see, it doesn't say 375 degrees, but you know, if you average together, ow!
Did you just touch that?
Yeah, it hurt. Okay, so if you average together 400 and 350, you get 375. And I know that because I took AP Calculus in high school. Next thing you do is open your brandless, definitely from scratch, homemade cookie mix that is not branded because we're making it from scratch and this is not sponsored.
Yeah.
And you pour it into a bowl.
So this is something I learned about cracking eggs in my time in France when we did a cooking tutorial with this chef guy.
You better not mess up my eggs. This is my 1 egg.
You don't do it here because then the shells go in. You did it on a flat surface. So we'll just.
Is that not common knowledge? How are you gonna crack an egg on a plastic bowl?
No. Oh, it squirted on my shirt. Dang it.
But is there any shell though?
No.
Nah, fam.
Dang it, I have egg on my shirt. I'm still gonna wear it to bed.
Okay.
Now they always say congratulations.
What do we do? Put in butter?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's really soft.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what
it's
you
so,
do.
so cold.
What? No, we don't want soap in the cookies. Rinse. Do you want to take a break?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna tag team.
Overwork.
Congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to.
So Amina's gonna pose for the thumbnail. Except that I can't do anything because I have like 8 subscribers. The oven is smoking, by the way.
Yeah, it's not our fault actually. We just turned it. So this is our dough. I forgot to get my teaspoon
Why do you need the teaspoon?
to measure them so that they're all the same size.
You don't need to. You just plop them on and hide it. Judgment.
Where's my spoon? Is this a tablespoon or a teaspoon? I think this is a teaspoon.
That's okay. Just put 2 of those. That's a tablespoon.
No, I need a teaspoon, not a tablespoon.
Oh, then put in half of that. I mean, put in that. Wait. What?
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a teaspoon and grab, you know, a heaping teaspoonful, and we'll put it in our clean, freshly washed hands. I just washed my hand. Plop it into your hands, roll it around a little bit, and then put it on your parchment paper. Keep in mind that your cookie is going to spread. It's not going to stay in that ball, so you don't want them too close together, you feel? We're going to repeat that process several times.
And then at this point, we can make it go fast.
Oh, okay.
Congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
And then you just put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, here's the finished product.
Wow.
Looking pretty good.
Wow.
Can't wait to eat it.
Wow.
Prank, here are the cookies. They look good. There's more over here.
So cool.
Yay. Any last words?
Nope.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite flavor of chocolate chip cookie?